Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is about global warming. Global warming is one of the rising issue nowadays. It is the term which is familiar to us, but many of us don't know about it. Global warming is the rise in the temperature of the world globally, as there are many causes of global warming. One of the main cause of the global warming is chlorofluorocarbons and greenhouse gases. The main cause of the global warming, which contributes to the rise in the earth temperature, is carbon dioxide. As the burning of fossil fuels like coal, gas, and oil for energy purposes is the main cause of the global warming. And the one other cause of the global warming is deforestation, as there are the cutting of the trees and forests are converted into lands for urbanization and many other projects, so that if there are not forests, then the ability of the forest to sink the carbon dioxide is reduced, and the amount of carbon dioxide in the world is increased, and the earth temperature is globally increased. And if we look toward the production of the meat, also caused methane and NO2 gases, which contributes to the global warming. The one other cause of the global warming is in industrial, that is that the cement steel is produced is also uh, main cause of the global warming. There are many other things that can cause the global warming. So if we look toward the greenhouse gases and deforestation and many others, they can contribute large. But these are the man-made. Some are natural, like volcanic eruptions, also cause the global warming. What are the effects of the global warming? If we goes toward that, then we can see that the melting of the glaciers and the rising of the sea level can cause floods and many other impacts. If the temperature of the earth is increased, then there are many problems, like the biodiversity and the ecosystem of the world is also affected. The precipitation patterns are also affected, and there is a evaporation pattern also affected by the global warming. And if there is a rise in the sea level, then many countries are faced by flood, and the flood causes many destructions in the countries. And the one other effect of the global warming is that it can impact on the human health, as the human health is also affected by the global warming. And if we go toward the global warming solutions, then we will look at there are many other solutions of the global warming, as if we grow up the trees and if we conserve the forest, then they can sink the large amount of carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide is less. And the land which is used as agriculture, if it is suitable for habitat, then we will not use it for agriculture. If the land which is suitable is for habitat is used for the agriculture, then there are many things that the carbon dioxide reduction is there is a release of carbon dioxide from it, and it can also contribute to the global warming. And we can use the vehicles less, and we will use the public transport, so that the fossil fuel burning is less and the global warming will be less. Carbon dioxide reduction will be there is a carbon dioxide reduction, and there is a less release of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And if we go toward that, it is important to convert the vehicles from the uh, renewable, from the petroleum to the electricity, and we can recycle all the plastic things. And if we go toward the market, then we can bring the cloth bag with us, so that the global warming will be less, as the plastic also contributes main in the global warming. And i- if we conserve the earth, then our earth will be healed, and we will face no problems, as there are no mental problems and there is no ecosystem is disturbed, and we will face no problem. But if we not care for it, then we will face huge problems. So we ready as there is a conservation for the planet. The struggles by the individual and the government also needs, as the government should implement laws on the industrial waste that don't waste and don't release the toxic in the air, and use the materials which are recycled and renewable, and which can be used again and again after using. So struggles made by the government and the individual can be a solution of the global warming, as there are a Paris Agreement and many other agreements to conserve the ecosystem. So be do your best to conserve the planet. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.